Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little update. It's 2025, and we made some updates to the Discord over the past year. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the Discord. What can you expect as a free member, as a premium member, and we will go from there. Um, so, The first thing I want to show you guys before we get too deep in the video is the first thing you will get as a premium member is access to this buy sell indicator that I created. It's a custom indicator using a combination of my favorite indicators that I've found that work really, really well together. By the way, I am giving away a free trial on this indicator. If you want a free trial on this indicator, again, that is this buy and sell indicator here that you see here. Okay, so you can take these plays short and you can buy here when it says buy, again, short here. And I even have it set up as a strategy as well that I'm working on releasing to the community as well. That's where you can see here where it's actually auto trading. So if you want a free trial of this, please comment below. Free trial. I want a free trial. Hey, what's up with the free trial? Something along those lines. And make sure you're liked and subscribed, okay? Again, free 2 week trial. You got nothing to lose. And this is from today. I'm not just cherry picking here. This is from today. You can see it's live right here. And we made some good money off this thing today. So already done trading for the day. It's not even 11:30 Eastern time. The Discord. So what can you expect as a Discord member? Okay, so as a free member, there's a few things that we offer. First off, we have the chat here. Okay, chat's awesome, and I even drop in here and I give predictions. Like for instance, right here, I said that we have tons of institutional buyers in the 603 area, sellers at 606. Okay, so I said this at 1026. Okay, and then I also called out this pop here at 1034. Okay, 1027. Okay, so 1026. I said, let's watch out at 606. There's resistance there. And I said, let's look for a pop at 1027. Okay. So let's see what happened. Where are we? Here we go. 1026. Okay. So 606 area. I say area. Okay. Why? Because when orders are placed, they're placed in blocks, okay? And when there's an institutional block there, there's a group of traders in this area. They're not all sitting at exactly 606. They're all placed around this area, some at 606, 75, 70, or 605, 75, some at 606, 25, and around there. So when I say that 606 area, that's what I mean. Get ready to look for resistance at that 606 area, okay? We called that out here. It didn't quite get up to 606 again, but you could see here, as soon as it got up to 605.76, here again, that 606 area, we came down hard here, okay? Hard. We dropped hard. At 1026, I called out a pop. I'll have to go to the 1 minute chart for that one. 1026. That's probably this one. Nope, this one right here. Yeah, okay. So at 1027. So 1027, I said look for a bounce. We came down a little bit here, and then we popped right up. This right here was about let's say you got in here where I said at about 605, ran to, like I said, about 606.75. That's a good 30% play right there, okay, on zero DT options. So nothing to snuff at, all right? That's what the indicator can do. That's what hanging out in this free chat. Again, I'll leave the Discord in there. I'll leave the Discord in the comments. It's free, okay? Let me see if I can get my face back here. Hang on. If not, you guys are probably don't want to see my face anyway. Anyways, So back to the Discord. So that's in the free chat. I called that out today. And what else? So, first thing, if you're a premium member, even if you're not, check out this mandatory information channel. Why? It tells you how to avoid getting scammed, okay, number one. And it also gives you a rundown of what the Discord is. And I'll put this video in here as well. For my crypto heads, we have all things crypto, where I throw out stuff that's going on, or we throw out, I should say. We have Bobby in here, Bitlender Crypto. So it's not just me anymore. And this is where we call it a lot of the crypto stuff, a lot of stuff that's happening. If you're even thinking about getting back into or getting into crypto, again, this is a free asset right here. Okay. This whole community right here is free. So we have testimonials that show the wins. Again, we have an infinity indicator channel, which is a support channel for my indicator. Upgrade to premium. This is the only premium product I'll offer. Okay. So if you want access to the indicator, you would then have to go through the premium community. But that's after the free trial. Okay. Let me be clear on that. So you'll make money with the indicator first before anything. Okay. So, and by the way, make sure you read this legal disclaimer. Nothing out of the line. It just says, hey, at the end of the day, you're responsible for your trades. We're not financial advisors, etc. It's just for educational purposes, entertainment purposes, etc., etc. Okay. So let's get into the premium community. So first, we'll go through options because that's first on the list here. So again, my stock market predictions. So these have been just spot on. I don't know any other way to say it. I'm not even just trying to talk myself up here, but this is where I'll look at the morning, I'll look at levels of support and resistance, and I'll have a pretty good idea of what the market's trying to do just from the pre-market action and just by where institutions are sitting. If they have a ton of buy orders, do they have a ton of sell orders? Is there a ton of buy volume? Is there a ton of sell volume? So I throw this stuff up in here, and for the most part, these levels of support and resistance hold strong. Okay, and what I'll normally do is I'll either update here or sometimes, again, throwing the free community a bone. Like today, I'll update in the free chat and give people, like I said, I showed you that play earlier. I'm not gonna show it twice. So go back and look at that if you're interested in more about the type of information I'd share here about stock market predictions. Stocks I'm watching. So this is more, if you guys have been following me enough by now, you'll see I trade 95% SPY and ES. I don't need to trade anything else. So why am I taking in all this other noise? Well, we do have a whole community here, and everybody tries different things. Everybody looks at different things. Maybe some people don't want to trade just SPY. So we offer different products, and Bobby House here has been a great asset here. We're teaming up to, he has his own plays, obviously, but we're teaming up to kind of give you some super plays where we both see the same things, and that's kind of that means we're both seeing the things in the same way. And I'm going to throw some options plays out for those as well. And then we have our SPY and ES options. Obviously today, that's what you saw today with the puts. Made some good money on puts today. And then our multi-day options alerts, which have also been very good. So that's what we offer for options. Again, if you're a premium member, make sure that you have your notifications on for the alert channels. That means options alerts and stock alerts that you want on. Okay, so keep the notifications on all for these channels. All right. Otherwise, you won't get the alerts. Okay, I want to be clear about that. Stock alerts, pretty much the same thing as the options alerts. Usually more long-term stuff. So I give news on our long-term alerts here. And I also, sorry. I also give, obviously, our long-term stock alerts. We watch a few different ETFs and stocks: NVIDIA, KWEB, XLF, SOX. And I will teach you how to play these. Essentially, you just look at the trend, okay? So when I say buy or sell the XLE shares, are they headed up on the daily chart? Then you buy calls or you buy shares, okay? Is XLE headed down on the daily chart? Then you buy puts or you short it via a short ETF, inverse ETF. Then we have Bitlender's channels. He does a crypto channel. He does a stock channel. Bitlender's been a great addition, awesome addition to the channel. And he has some really good stuff I suggest you guys check out. And then we have our crypto alerts, which have been few but solid. So make sure you check those out as well. And then we have our educational channel, which I consolidated the Discord a lot. I'll get into that in a second here in the archive section here. But education, yeah, my YouTube channel. Obviously, you're watching this here. Again, like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps the channel a lot. We have our charting and technical analysis channel where I share a lot of good stuff on charting information that you might need that I found useful. Some basic courses that are included with the premium package, and then options education, which is essentially the same thing. Are you trying to learn options? This is a shortcut to that. And to sum this video up, to end this video, we do have our archive, and these are the channels that didn't get a lot of action, but I didn't want to delete the channel, so I just set them all in one. In one area here. There's a ton of useful information there. So make sure that you at least check this out. And that's really it for the community. So we have House, who's come on, been a big help. He's been, in terms of swing and longer plays, he's added a lot of value. And Bitlender, crypto, and stocks as well. And obviously what I provide with the indicator, analysis, charting, we're really offering a well-rounded product here. So anyways, that's all I got. I do have to run for a meeting here at 11:30. So I appreciate you guys watching.